Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the ZEP application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the ZEP app. Oh, actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. On this page, you should see list of my devices, and on this list, you should see your AMAZFIT GTR 3. Tap on it to select it. Now, scroll down through this page, find the Unpair button, and tap on it. Then tap on Unpair button again, and then tap on it again to confirm. Once you see this page, tap on Got it. And as you can see, the watch disappeared from the list of my devices right here. Also, it will reset itself to the factory default settings. So at this point, we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth option, and here you will see the list of my devices, and on it you will probably see the AMAZFIT GTR 3. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.